Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Our champions for the 3x3 Brew Battle, Pangasinan Edition, goes to...
Welcome to another video on the channel. Today is day 2 here in Pangasinan. So, we are on our way to Cups and Berries. We're doing a cupping session with TESDA. And in the afternoon, we're gonna do the team brew battle with Team Pangasinan.
Whoever may need this nugget of encouragement, things will be alright, so put your word in it. I get it, the odds can stack back against the wall, but if you consider it such, no, you'll stand tall. Sat and watch from the sidelines one too many times. Wicked games to play, make me wanna lose my mind. Found solitude, knowing it'll be over soon. Ever need a boost?
Right, so we started the cupping session with the students, and here you can see that I am explaining to them what is a cupping and why we do it. Okay, we are here at Cups and Berry here in Dagupan City. Alright, so today we partnered with TESDA. We actually have students inside that are learning specialty coffee for the first time. So we did a cupping session earlier, and then we explained the difference of specialty coffee from commodity and commercial coffees. We also taught them that cupping a coffee is only a glimpse of the potential of a coffee is. So right now they are actually brewing for the students to be able to experience different specialty coffees from different origins by using different methods, different techniques, and different brewers.
To whoever may need this nugget of encouragement, things will be alright, so put your word in it. I get it, the odds can stack back against the wall, but if you consider it such, no, you'll stand tall. Sat and watch from the sidelines one too many times. Wicked games to play, make me wanna lose my mind. Found solitude, knowing it'll be over soon. Never need a boost, count on me for the 1-2. Trouble don't last when the tough get going. Baby, all we do is win, so show me my opponent. Adversity, doubt, stress, don't care less, cause how we handle those like an S on our...
So at this point, I actually did not notice that my microphone died. We're on our way to eat lunch, and I was just explaining that the cupping session and the basic brewing workshop with the students was very successful. Congratulations again to the students who attended this cupping and brewing workshop. Okay, we are about to start the team battle. We're still here in Cups and Berry. There. It's going to be Team Manila versus Team Pangasinan.
So for the judging, at 1 out of, right? For example, dryness, stringency, or at less than after days.
Oras natin like 6 minutes and 10 seconds. So meron na tayong roughly 4 minutes. May win tayo pinagbabawal na mag-pass na kami sa atin. Sige, makapapawalas mo. Sasabihin ko 1 plus 1 minute na. And 10 seconds.
May pas na reflex dyan.
Pinakakaan ng grupo. At 1 out tayo. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Right, raise boots. Cup, and 3, 2, 1. Oh, so second na yan.
I want to congratulate everyone for coming here for our team by team battle. Ito na yung pinaka-first. So, ang taas ng
Kompleto na yata yung amin.
taas ng natin, standard natin for this competition. And magkakaroon ba ng next season to?
Bukas na! Hintay ka pa! Di ba?
Diretsong beach to ba to?
Kayo ang dadayo sa Arcana.
Nagpapasalamat ako sa mga sponsors na natin.
Of course.
Google Coffee, Allegro Beverage, ang Gala Distributor, Pangse Coffee Community. Guys, thank you so much for coming. Siyempre mga sponsors natin. Si Sir Ron sa Puto. Sir Ron! Tapos sa Pamusino. Meron ba? So yun. In behalf of the Pangasinan Coffee Community, thank you so much guys for coming. Thank you all our sponsors. So, this would be the first at ang taas talaga ng erase nating bar for this competition, being the first competition, pero parang we already set goals and we elevate the scenes in our community. Thank you so much guys.
So, excited na siguro lahat.
Eto na!
Eto na! Top cup muna, top cup. And the winner.
Drum roll! Drum roll!
Drum roll, kanina na.